Snobbies, welcome to Snob Queens TV. My name is Xavier and I wanted to give you a brief introduction on our channel. This channel is an extension of a fashion blog I started a few years ago called Snob Queens. Snob Queens is a blog that covers the fashion and beauty of Black female public figures. So it only made sense to expand our brand to YouTube and make videos for you guys. So here's a little about me. I am 31 years old, I have a 3-year-old little girl, and I just gave birth to a baby boy. I love all things fashion, and I always pay attention to the details and the styling of a look. So I wanted to bring my knowledge and my reactions to you.
Hey Snobbies, it's Bree Chantel, beauty editor of Snob Queens TV and lover of all things fashion. I was brought on to Snob Queens because I love all things fashion, and I'm completely obsessed with makeup. I use my makeup as another accessory to help me complete my look versus just trying to use it to cover something up. I love being able to showcase and try out different trends and makeup techniques that I've learned from celebrity makeup artists and YouTube gurus. I'm so excited to start this channel and try out all the different techniques that I learned right here with you.
But in order to do that, here's what we need from you. In the comments below, drop your suggestions, or you can hit us up on Twitter at Snob Queens. We will have beauty product reviews, unboxings, and so much more. So to make sure you don't miss out, please subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit that notification bell.